sativa. Smoke so till we nah no liver. The way the grabber.
Rich na bomba clad, you know me. Show me see me rolling, and they see me codeine. And me bring it whole team. Have a bitch I don't feed.
Love is street dog. Afraid of the amount of my rum me send up this on a table alone. Keep my gun close like Portmore neighbor room. Be a dog, listen to my dog, them assault. Me up in night town, no no hardly come out. Brawling all road, clip full of.
We do it quick and do it easier. I drop in my pants on me neck in a freezer. Skilly pull up in a the G-Wag.
Up in a jacuzzi, Ashley. Get on you just a move to the cash way. I'm one know who fits, slow me down.
Remember that them own the factory, and you know me full of money like semi winning lottery, yeah. Friends for stop him, me no know how to stop it, cause we clean every.
Smarter than the one AI, and the future AI. Artificial intelligence, I eat around the whole of the earth. No, you not go smart.
The right man for the job, I believe so. I mean, I don't do identity politics. So not because you're black, I'm gonna vote for you. What is your policy? What are your policies? So for me, I think he's the right man for the job. He deserved it. Big up Mr. Trump. It is what it is. That's why people love him. He doesn't sugarcoat anything. He gives it to you the way you should get it. Raw, unadulterated. And
here's my plan to stop the chemical, physical, and emotional mutilation of our youth. On day one, I will revoke Joe Biden's cruel policies on so-called gender-affirming care. Ridiculous. A process that includes giving kids puberty blockers, mutating their physical appearance, and ultimately performing surgery on minor children. Can you believe this? I will sign a new executive order instructing every federal agency to cease all programs that promote the concept of sex and gender transition at any age. I will then ask Congress to permanently stop federal taxpayer dollars from being used to promote or pay for these procedures and pass a law prohibiting child sexual mutilation in all 50 states. It'll go very quickly. I will declare that any hospital or healthcare provider that participates in the chemical or physical mutilation of minor youth will no longer meet federal health and safety standards for Medicaid and Medicare and will be terminated from the program immediately. Furthermore, I will support the creation of a private right of action for victims to sue doctors who have unforgivably performed these procedures on minor children. The Department of Justice will investigate Big Pharma and the big hospital networks to determine whether they have deliberately covered up horrific long-term side effects of sex transitions in order to get rich at the expense of vulnerable patients, in this case, very vulnerable. We will also investigate whether Big Pharma or others have illegally marketed hormones and puberty blockers, which are in no way licensed or approved for this use. My Department of Education will inform states and school districts that if any teacher or school official suggests to a child that they could be trapped in the wrong body, they will be faced with severe consequences, including potential civil rights violations for sex discrimination and the elimination of federal funding. As part of our new credentialing body for teachers, we will promote positive education about the nuclear family, the roles of mothers and fathers, and celebrating rather than erasing the things that make men and women different and unique. I will ask Congress to pass a bill establishing that the only genders recognized by the United States government are male and female, and they are assigned at birth. The bill will also make clear that Title IX prohibits men from participating in women's sports, and we will protect the rights of parents from being forced to allow their minor child to assume a gender which is new and an identity without the parents' consent. The identity will not be new, and it will not be without parental consent. No serious country should be telling its children that they were born with the wrong gender, a concept that was never heard of in all of human history. Nobody's ever heard of this, what's happening today. It was all when the radical left invented it just a few years ago. Under my leadership, this madness will end. Thank you very much.
I just got 3 things to say. God bless our troops. God bless America. And gentlemen, start your...
Attention, inside and outside areas. The winner of the 2024 presidential election is Donald J. Trump.
Let's go!
We told them, we said, you fucked around, and now you're gonna find out. We hit him with that American Eagle screech, that...
Alright, showing you just the magnitude of what is going on here. This is a smaller boulder. Well, this is the smallest. That's a smaller boulder, right? And the bigger one is to the back. But I want to show what is happening, where it came from, and what still exists. All of these trees are sitting on nothing. May I try make sure it's not slip and fall now this make here. Alright. That's me some. Alright. So this is the bigger one here. Hold on, the slippery bud. Almost dropped. Yeah, just hold on, just hold on, you just hold on. Alright, so now we are at. But now I'm going to come up and hold on. But never this big. Okay, you have to know what I did. This is a massive undertaking, Chief. God's now open for now, you can tell you that. Right?